Did you know you can make $500 a day selling AI art on Etsy? No? Let me show you exactly how it works. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning AI-generated wall art and sell it on Etsy for passive income, all using free tools. No design experience, no paid software, just your laptop and creativity. Let's jump in. For step 1, you need to create unique wall art with Leonardo.ai. Open your browser and go to leonardo.ai. Sign up for a free account. Click Image Generation. Type a prompt like, "Minimalist abstract wall art in warm, earthy tones." Click Generate and wait a few seconds. Pick the design you like and download it. In step 2, enhance and resize the generated image in Canva. Go to canva.com and create a free account. Click Create a Design, then custom size 18 by 24 inches. Upload your image and adjust it. Add text or details if you'd like. Hey, don't leave Canva, because for step 3, you need to create a thumbnail. While in Canva, click Create a Design, then Etsy listing photo. Pick a clean, bold template. Add your poster and overlay text, such as Instant Download Modern Wall Art. Download this thumbnail. Then in step 4, set up your Etsy shop. Go to etsy.com and create a seller account. In Shop Manager, click Listings, then Add a Listing. Upload your poster file and the thumbnail. Fill out the title, description, and tags with keywords such as printable wall art and boho decor. Set the price. Most sell for $5 to $15. Choose digital download so customers get it instantly. Lastly, in step 5, publish and market. Double-check everything and click Publish. Share your listing on Pinterest and Instagram to drive traffic. Consider offering a discount to get your first sales. Some sellers earn hundreds daily with trending designs. And that's it. You've just created and listed your first AI poster with free tools. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to AIChief for more simple AI business tutorials. Thanks for watching.